Dreamy Days.
Hey friends! Today we are drawing a Hello Kitty cake! Yummy! So, let's get started. We will start by Hello Kitty's face. Draw her bow! Now we will draw the cake. Now let's decorate the cake with small ovals. It's time to draw Kitty's eyes, nose, and whiskers. Our cake is on a tray. We will decorate our cake some more. Let's draw a candle on top of the cake. And 2 hard candies. At last, we will draw some bows around the cake. We will highlight our drawing. It's time to color our drawing. At last, we will draw some bows around the cake. Also color the ovals pink. Now we will color the hearts red and sticks brown. Next, we will color the candle green. We will color the cream on the cake pink. Our cake is looking delicious. Next, we will fill yellow color in the cake. Let's color the decoration on the cake with different colors. After this, we will color the bows. Red. Dark blue. Dark green. Last, we'll color the tray gray. And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.